Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever heard of blockchain but thought it was just too complicated? Well, buckle up, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. Picture this, a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually pretty straightforward. Every time a transaction is made, it's added to a block. Think of it as a page in a record book. Now here's the cool part. Each block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. Hence the name, blockchain. This chain is decentralized, meaning no single person or entity has control over it. It's like the ultimate team project that everyone watches and no one can cheat on. But why is blockchain such a game changer? 3 words: transparency, security, and efficiency. First off, transparency. Everyone can see the transactions. Imagine having a clear view of every step in a process. No hidden fees, no secrets. Just pure, honest data. Next up, security. Each block is encrypted and linked to the one before it. So if anyone tries to mess with the data, they'll need to change every single block before it. That's like trying to rewrite history. Not gonna happen. And finally, efficiency. Blockchain cuts out the middleman. No banks, no brokers. Just direct peer-to-peer transactions. This can speed up processes and reduce costs significantly. But wait, there's more. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's being used in supply chain management, voting systems, healthcare, and even gaming. Imagine tracking your lettuce from farm to table, or casting a vote in an election that's tamper-proof. The possibilities are endless. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds awesome, but how do I get involved? Great question. Start by doing your own research. There are tons of online resources, courses, and communities to join. Maybe even dabble in some cryptocurrency trading. But remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. So, there you have it. Blockchain in a nutshell. It's transparent, secure, and efficient. It's changing the world as we know it. And the best part? You're just in time to get on board. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and leave a comment with your thoughts on blockchain. Catch you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time.